Hi everyone, I'm coming back today with just a short video. I've been seeing some posts in the groups about the Joy 2 and the power supply that comes with it, and people are thinking that their power supply is defective because it's coming in pieces like this. If you looked at your little warranty guide, it would have showed you how this plug goes together. So this is a universal plug, so no matter what country you live in, it makes it really easy for Cricut to just put in the right end for it. You just line this up until it drops in like that, and then turn it and it'll click, and that's how you put it together. It's not broken, that's the way it's designed. And then if you need to take it apart, you just push this little button down and twist and pop it off. Super simple. So your cord's good, and that's all you should need to be able to get it going. Happy crafting.